I'll use the avatar URL column to create our custom cell display template. First, I'll remove the existing bound field by clicking the X to clear the bound column. Next, I'll change the column header to employee. App Builder has 3 custom template options: header template, cell display template, and cell edit template. For this example, my goal is to change the way the employee data is displayed. I want to show an avatar, first name, and last name all in the same column. I'll select the cell display template. A hint area appears in the column, letting me know I can drop content in this template area. At this point, I could drag a control from the toolbox, or I could use the Ctrl+E shortcut and, in context, search for the control I want to add to the template. I'll add the avatar component for the employee image, then a text component for the first name, and finally, I'll set the font size to caption. Next, I'll copy this and paste it in place for the last name field. Using the property editor, I'll bind the text boxes to the first and last names. For the avatar, I'll change the type property from icon to image, which presents me with the field list so I can bind the avatar URL value to the avatar component so the appropriate image is displayed. When adding a cell template, there is no default layout. To control the layout, you can add a row or column flex layout inside the cell template. You can do this before adding components or after, it doesn't matter. In this case, I've already added my bound controls. So I'll select the avatar and 2 text boxes, then right-click and select Row Layout. This wraps my components in a flex layout. I can now set additional layout properties like alignment, gap, and spacing in any direction. I'll set some of these properties so the components in our template look perfect. Using the property editor, App Builder gives you total control over how you arrange components in a view or layout, without having to master complex CSS. Now that my employee column is templated, I'll delete the first and last name columns. When I hit the play button, I can see my running application. The grid looks perfect with my newly templated employee column, and the outcome is exactly what I was after. Creating custom cell templates for display or editing is a simple point-and-click operation in App Builder. To get started, go to appbuilder.dev and sign up for a free trial today.